गुप्ता तांकां आमी येवकार दिता. काँग्रेसचो मॅनिफेस्टो करपाक पयलीं पावलां मारिल्ली पी चिदंबरम हे आमचे जे मेन चीफ ऑब्जर्वर आसा तांच्या हातांतल्यान आमी मडगांवां फर्स्ट इंटरॅक्टिव्ह सेशन म्हणून केल्लें आनी तातूंतल्यान ही सुरवात जाल्ली. लोकांचे कितें पळय व्ह्यूज आसा, लोकांची सजेशन्स आसा, लोकांचे मागण्यो आसा, हे सगळे आमी कॅप्चर करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो. मागीर उपरांत चेअरमॅन ऑफ मॅनिफेस्टो कमिटी आनी आमी वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांनी वचून अश्योच सभा घेतल्यो, लोकां कडेन इंटरॅक्शन केलें, रायट फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ऑफ गोवा टू साउथ ऑफ गोवा. आनी तातूंतल्यान आमी खूब अशें इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑलरेडी आमचे कडेन आसा आनी हो एक मॅनिफेस्टो तयार करपाक आमकां एक बरी मदत जाल्ली आसा. तरी पूण खुबशे लोकां कडेन पावतलो जाल्यार आज टॅक्नॉलॉजी यूज करून सोशल मिडियांतल्यान आमी अजून लोकांक चड करून आमचे जे डायस्पोरा आसा, भायर लोक आसा, हालींच हांव ह्या कांय दीस फाटीं दुबय आशिल्लो आनी लोकां कडेन हांव इंटरॅक्शन करतालो असो काँग्रेस पार्टीचें धोरण कितें आसा तें, आनी तातूंतल्यान जेन्ना लोकांचे मागण्यो जे आयकपाक डायरेक्ट मेळटा ताका चड म्हत्व आसता. आनी ते म्हणपाक लागले आमी व्ह्यूज शेअर करपाक आमकां कितें तरी एक बरें चॅनल जाय आनी अशे व्ह्यूज घेवन ह्या आज आमचे सोशल मिडिया टीम जी आसा हांगा हिमांशू तिवरेकर तशेंच हसिबा हे सगळे मेळून आमचे हे यंग मंडळ जे आसा तांणी हे सगळे तयार केल्लें आसा. हातूंतल्यान आमी एक ईमेल आयडी, स्पेशल ईमेल आयडी, एक स्पेशल व्हॉट्सएप नंबर आनी एक मिस कॉल नंबर लोकां कडेन पावयला आनी एक वेबसायटूय तांणी तयार केल्ली आसा, आवर गोवा आवर मॅनिफेस्टो. आवर गोवा आवर मॅनिफेस्टो म्हाका सजेशन आयलें हालींच आतांच की आवर गोवा आवर मॅनिफेस्टो, मॅनिफेस्टो सगळेच काडटा, वेदर इट इज अ गॅरंटीड. येस, मॅनिफेस्टो पयर आमचे राहुल गांधी जे आयिल्ले हांगा ताणें सांगलां अशें की ह्या खेपेक ही एक गॅरंटी लोकांक डिलिव्हरी दिवपाची आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी ह्या चॅनलांतल्यान हांव समजतां की चडांत चड लोकांक रायट फ्रॉम आमच्या गोंयांसान आख्खे जे गोंयकार भायर आसा आनी परदेशांत सुद्दां आसा तांकां ही सवलत मेळटली, संदी मेळटली की ताणें आपले व्ह्यूज दिवपाक. इतलें सांगून हांव एक मिनीट आमच्या चेअरमॅनाक सांगता 2 उतरां सांगपाक, मागीर आमचे गुंडराव साहेब उलयतले आनी मागीर आमी कितें एक्झॅक्टली व्हिडिओ रिलीज करतले. येस
friends, as Mr. Gomes has explained to you, we have gone ahead with preparation and compilation of the views of the people, and the draft manifesto has already been compiled. It is now being circulated internally so that we discuss it first of all and then add to it or subtract things out of it and come out with a formal document. But we are not happy with that. What we want is people at large must relate to us, must speak to us, must write to us, and therefore this new campaign is being started. And this is very important. Is the mail address has been given here, goacongress@inc.in, and the WhatsApp number and the other number, this call number. With this, we want to give a guarantee to the people of Goa and the diaspora spread out everywhere that we mean business. Whatever word we give, it will be implemented. Whatever we write in that document as our promise will be implemented. Not just we won't wait for 5 years, but we'll begin implementing it from day one when we take office, when we form our government. That is a guarantee, that is a word. And it begins with 5 promises which are being read out before the public. This will be spelled out to you in due course of time. Over to Mr. Gomes.
Good afternoon, friends. And as my colleagues have told, as far as Congress Party is concerned, manifesto is not only promises, it is our pledge to the people. And as a part of our pledge, we are today launching this missed call number, a website, WhatsApp number, so that people of Goa, in whichever corner they are, they can come to us directly. We have done consultations with the people for manifesto and detailed consultations have been done. But still we do not want any person from Goa to be left out for any of his desires which they want when Congress government comes in power. See friends, we have seen in Goa how the democracy has been betrayed by BJP before 5 years when they formed government, and after that the way they killed the voice of people. I think people of Goa have decided to remove BJP from this corrupt government from the power, the government which is run by remote control from Delhi. Goa wants their own government, so that is the name, Our Goa, Our Manifesto. It's all about Goa, everything about Goa, nothing by remote control. The people of Goa will decide their future, not nobody from outside. So taking that objective forward, we are launching these numbers. So my request through you friends to all the people of Goa, that whatever is your expectation from us, whatever problems you are facing, whatever desires you have from us, please let us know. We will definitely, the team here sitting, we will do the consultations. After this, we are going to begin the Facebook Live series, where our leaders will speak to people like youth, women, the different classes of society, and they will take their issues. Like Rahulji did one samvad with fishermen, and I was also there, and I was really touched the way the issues are, the real issues are different. So we need to touch those issues. For us, our manifesto is our pledge, and by these numbers, I am welcoming everybody from Goa. Please send us your suggestions, and definitely we'll let you know whose suggestions are taken. We will do proper consultations. It won't be a piece of paper, it will be our pledge, and we'll complete that pledge once Congress government is formed in Goa. So today in front of you, the number is 1800-313-000033. I'll repeat the number, 1800-313-000033. Anybody can give missed call. They will get the message, and you can give your suggestions with your name and number. There is a WhatsApp number 96076-68897. I'll again repeat 96076-68897. There is a mail ID goacongress@inc.in and a website called ourgoa-ourmanifesto.com. So idea is simple, friends. We are there for you, whatever your issues, and yes, we are there to save democracy. The way these people have killed democracy across India, the process started with Goa. Now it is on the people of Goa to end that process and answer these people that come what may, whatever you try, we will not allow you to kill the voice of democracy. Congress will come with thumping majority so that these people will not even be able to try doing whatever they did in last 5 years. So that's it, and after Dinesh ji speaks, we will launch this number, we'll play videos and all. Thanks a lot, friends.
Launch it, play the video.
Okay.
Approach us, right?
We can play the video. Hasiba, my colleague, she is from Goa, so she would like to say something on this.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I think most of what is being done has already been covered, but just through all of you, through the media, we invite all the people of Goa, especially the younger people, the people who are tech savvy. We invite everybody to please give in your inputs. Together, all of us need to make Goa a better place. Together, we need to identify all the issues that we are facing. Together, we need to find solutions to all the problems that we are facing. We are a state of very talented people with very brilliant ideas, very sharp minds. So let's put all of our minds together and let's come up with some really, really great ways and solutions of fixing all of our problems. And the Congress Party, as has already been spoken by my seniors, the Congress Party will ensure that we fulfill, as we have in the past also, we will always fulfill the promises that we make.
Get
So we'll
started.
play the video now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sound. Put the mic to this. No.
Now,
Send the video.
So we'll send the video.
The media will send the video. Connect your speaker.
Light बंद कर रहे हैं.
Connect the speaker.
तो स्टिकर ऐड हुआ
Sorry for that slight inconvenience, but I think the main thing is this will be sent to all the phones and people can download this and people can see it also. And basically, as mentioned by our chairman of the manifesto committee, Mr. Khalap, and our AICC social media head, Mr. Rohan Gupta, that Congress's manifesto, we always give it a very great importance to our manifesto. And we put a lot of process into it, thought process into it. And also we would like to take the opinions of the people. And that is already being done by our manifesto committee. But we wanted to get a wider reach and more inputs. So for that purpose, this Our Goa, Our Manifesto is being launched. And whatever the inputs that is going to come through this, we will definitely try to incorporate as many as possible, which is in the interest of the people of Goa, the development of Goa, the environment of Goa, and the identity of Goa. So, and like what all my esteemed colleagues have said, whatever we say in the manifesto should be something that we are going to implement, not for the sake of just publicity and making some assurances. It's not an assurance, it should be a guarantee. And our manifesto will be a guarantee. So that's the basic premise to our manifesto campaign. And I'm sure the people of Goa will respond to this and give all their ideas, all their inputs, so that when we form the government after the elections, in our government, we will bring in a new era of progress, development and harmony in Goa. So saying this, any few questions are there, you can ask, and then we'll conclude the
Sir,
press
आपने
conference. Yeah.
may I ask?
Yeah, yeah, we just, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Wait, sir, wait, sir, wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Done?
No, sir.
सर
Yeah.
एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा है कि पिछले 5 साल आप सत्ता के बाहर है, अब 10 साल है, लेकिन
हाँ।
5 साल तो है ही है। आप लोगों की राय ले रहे हैं, वेरी गुड, दिस इज गुड इनफ।
Yeah.
बट पिछले 5 साल में आपने क्या देखा है कि कौन से इश्यूज ऐसे हैं कि जो इम्पोर्टेंट है? क्या आपके नेता कोई इस पर काम करते हैं या नहीं करते?
See, already इसके ऊपर चर्चा हुआ है, हमारा लीडर्स के साथ चर्चा हुआ है, हमारा मैनिफेस्टो कमेटी सबसे इनपुट लिया है, हमारे पार्टी कार्यकर्ता, पार्टी कमेटी के मेंबर्स, हमारे एमएलए लीडर्स के साथ उनका रिस्पांस लिया है, और उसके बाद पब्लिक इंटरेक्शन भी किए हैं। बहुत सारी जगह पर पब्लिक इंटरेक्शन किए हैं और लोगों के साथ मिले हैं और उनका राय भी लिया है। तो बहुत सारे इश्यूज आएगा, अभी कुछ नहीं मैं बोलूँगा, क्योंकि ये सब होने के बाद
ऐसे 5 मुद्दे
we will come out with a document. So once the document comes out, that becomes a guarantee. That should be after a proper research, we'll come out with the correct guarantee. Whether it is 5 promises or 10 promises or 20 promises, depends on what we evolve finally.
No, but you all already had various number of meetings, so at least some
There is
points.
a draft manifesto ready,
Yeah.
but we wanted a further one more round of it, because a lot of youngsters and a lot of the newer generation, they interact more through social media and through the WhatsApp. So we thought, let us also take that input So one more round of input will be taken, and we will be releasing the manifesto as soon as possible.
So, but at least tell us some points, no,
See,
sir?
we can't tell those points because it's all been compiled, and and like I said earlier, if I say something, it should be thoroughly discussed and it should be a guarantee.
Okay.
So if I say this 1 point, 2 point, 5 points, those are all guarantees that the Congress party is going to give to the people of Goa.
So, second issue is that, now since this is over, could you clarify about yesterday's thing? They all have been raising hands in
No,
one
nothing to
portal.
clarify, they've come in support of the Congress party, and they they have all mentioned it. Goa Forward Party and Mr. Prasad, both of them have said that we will be fully with the Congress party and we're going to support the Congress party.
So
in
that
elections.
alliance deal is
It
done?
a alliance, yeah, it is a support. It
See,
is a,
it's a support, man. Ultimately, how we work out nitty-gritties will be worked out here.
So alliance can be confirmed with this.
Yeah, we are all going to be facing the election.
So you all will be going together.
He's come and met Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, no?
Oh.
So, and they openly they've said that we are going to be with the Congress party, we will support the Congress party, and we want to defeat the BJP.
Okay.
So, it is a welcome thing that they have done. I want to thank Goa Forward Party and Mr. Prasad Gaonkar for having taken that decision.
No,
What
he's
about
Prasad
your
Gaonkar.
earlier friends NCP.
See, now anything that is which is being discussed is in the process of discussions. So, final outcome when it is decided, we will let you know.
Now, a few days back, Prasad's, some of his supporters had joined TMC. He has also shown interest in TMC. Now, suddenly, is Prasad Gaonkar joining Congress or what it is? Or it is just a support with TMC?
See, all those things we will decide what to do afterwards. We will inform you. But they are with us in this battle against BJP. They are going to be with the Congress party.
So, if every decision is later, then what does it mean when you raise your hands? Is it alliance?
What more
Is
do
it
you
support?
want? What more do you want?
No.
So is it
It's
free
from
poll
your-
alliance?
yeah.
Will it be a free poll
What more do you
alliance or
want?
will
What
it-
more do you want that they've
Or
come?
will it be a seat sharing?
No, at least confirm us now.
It is
Confirm to us.
confirmed, right? When
Ah,
they
that
are
alliance is
it
confirmed. Okay.
The nitty-gritties we are going to work out locally.
Okay.
They are going to be with us in this election.
Ah.
सर कल का पिक्चर में देखा तो गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी ने सपोर्ट दिया है बट एक एमएलए मिसिंग था उसमें पिक्चर में.
See, that is not my concern. You should ask Goa Forward Party that.
Okay.
They have come, they are supporting us, and then.
But
other
two
issues will
MLA has
take
support on the Congress. Goa forward, two MLA has supported.
Exactly. Goa Forward Party has come, and they have extended support to the Congress Party in this forthcoming election. Other details about Goa Forward Party, you should ask Goa Forward Party. You shouldn't ask me that.
But
We
will
will
be
discuss
sharing
other
some
issues.
seats.
But you are forming
Are you
an
happy?
alliance, isn't it?
Yeah, so you ask.
So an alliance has to have a common
Those, I
manifesto,
said nitty gritties will be worked out later, and we will be we are the leader of the alliance. This alliance or this whatever that is going to be formed, we are the leader of this alliance. So of course our manifesto, we will take everybody's inputs. Even if any other independents are wanting to support us and they want to give us their inputs, we will take their inputs also.
Now, how would Congress take into consideration where Goa Forward leaders have already started their campaigns?
See, now in elections, all those things can be. Many people are campaigning. Even in Congress party, in some constituencies, we have 2-3 candidates. They are also campaigning. Ultimately, when we decide who is the candidate, everyone backs one candidate. In the assembly, people are wanting to be candidates, so they go and campaign. That's democracy. We can't tell people not to campaign, no? Then how will they go to people? How will they approach people? Ultimately, when the party decides, these are the seats, these are the candidates, everyone has to rally around them and work for them.
So how was this possible when your president and all, there have been number of statements coming from you?
No, there's no statements.
is the Congress party going to clearly tell us what they're going to do if they come to power?
Yes.
What?
This is the process that we're going to give us some time. We'll come up with a proper document with manifesto, with our promises, with our guarantee, not even promises, we are calling it guarantees. That we will implement these guarantees that we are telling the people of Goa.
Sir, कितने
Will
sir कितने दिन लगेंगे कि only 35 days are remain. 35 days. I say 35 days.
तुझे बोलो.
कितने टाइम लगेगा आपको कि
That the chairman will decide now.
Any more alliance and any more parties that would come on your platform, sir?
Yeah.
So
Mr. Girish Sodankar he has always opposed 16B, which was brought by Vijay Sarkisai. Will the Congress party cancel the said act when in power?
Of course, we will be totally against 16B, there's no doubt about it. But all that will come in the manifesto.
So
We
isn't
will be
it,
totally against it.
isn't your decision is against your PCC decision not to have
No,
any alliance with
everybody is
any?
on board. No, PCC has never.
President was missing yesterday.
Today,
No, he had yesterday a press conference here.
That's
which
why
you-
he
which you were
waited.
attending.
That's why he stayed there.
Yeah.
So, but what about your resolution which they had passed? PCC had passed a resolution that they will have
For
no.
the ZP elections,
No.
that is
For
municipality.
assembly.
How come he is not today?
Must
How
have
is
passed
not-
during
how come he is not
ZP
here today,
election
sir?
time, but it was for assembly.
He'll be there tomorrow. We are having a Pradesh election committee meeting. He also needs some rest, no?
Is your manifesto going to
Why
be
is
short and
President
sweet?
was not there yesterday?
No, he had a press conference. He kept it. He had announced it.
The press conference was in the morning.
No, it was in the afternoon.
12 o'clock.
Yeah.
That was in Delhi.
That was at 4 o'clock in Delhi, no?
Press
So
conference.
from 12 to 4 you fly. It's a higher chartered aircraft.
Mr. Gupta, your-
Okay, anything else?
your manifesto is going to be short and sweet or long.
Yeah, Michael.
I think we can do the manifesto within 15 days.
Yeah.
It will be released.
Next
15 days?
Next 2 days we will meet again and
I
give
can't make
out
comment
the
about
5
that.
promises. Okay. Next 2 days.
Sir, sir, just
They're deciding on the 5 main promises. That will be announced in 2 to 3 days.
can you sir, one last question. By when could be the first list of your Congress party?
We will. We are looking at to be able to announce it at least by 10th of December.
Okay.
We are trying to see that by 10th of December we come out with the first list.
Vishara,
Okay.
Good.
are there any other alliance talks going on with MGP or NCP?
I have said that we are talking to people who are like-minded and who want to see that this completely corrupt, inefficient, and inept government should go. People of Goa want this government to go. So, and those who want to work with us, we are talking to them. As and when things develop, we will let you.
Can you name them? Can you name them? Which are these like?
I've already told this before also.
No, I have not.
Yeah,
I have not heard.
repeating it.
Can you repeat?
That I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. He didn't meet. It's okay. He may have met. I don't know.
And the rumors going that Sunil Javadekar was
And then obviously I'm not keeping track of all these people. No, I don't have a CBI or some agency to keep track of everybody going. Yeah, I don't know where individuals are traveling. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah.